Welcome our viewers to Notebook Tutorials classes. So today we're looking at continuing from where we stopped in our last video. We are treating variation, and this one we are going to look at joint variation. We looked at direct and inverse in our last two videos. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channels for interesting videos. Now we have the energy varies directly as the resistance. The energy varies directly as the resistance, and inversely as the square of the what? Distance. So the energy varies directly as the resistance, and also varies inversely as the square of each distance. So we'll be having that E is equals to K times, introducing a constant, we have K times R times 1 over what? D over 1. So you have that E is equals to K times R is KR. KR times 1 will now be KR all over what? D. Now, the question says that if E is 32 over 25 is equals to, when R is 16 and D is 10, so it should be 10 varies directly as the square, so there's square here, so 10 raised to the power of 2. So we have 32 over 25 is equals to 16 here all over 10 raised to the power 2 is what? 100. So when you cross multiply, you're having 25 times 16 here is equals to 32 times 100. So we have 25 times 16, you have 25 times 16. We have 30 right 0 carry 3. We have 12 plus 3 is 15. So you have 5, you have 2, you have 0, 0, 4. So you have 400. So you have 400 here is equals to 3,200. So divide both sides by 400. When you divide both sides by 400, you have that K is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 divided 2 is what? 8. Now the question went further to ask you, calculate the value of R when E is 32 and D is 7. So you are still using the same equation. You have E is equals to KR all over D raised to the power 2. Your E is 32 is equals to your K is already 8 times, you are looking for R all over D is what? 7 raised to the power 2. So you have over 1. So you have 32 over 1 is equals 8 times R is 8R all over 7 raised to the power 2 is 49. So when you cross multiply, we'll be having 8R times 1 is 8R is equals to 32 times 49. So 32 times 49, what will you have? 9 times 2 is 18, right? 8 carry 1. 9 times 3, 27 plus 1, 28. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12. So you have 8, 6, 5, 1. So you have 8R equals to 5, 6, 8. So divide both sides by 8, so you can get your R. You have 8 divided itself 1, 8 divided 15. You'll be having 1 remainder 7. Put the 7 here. 8 divided 76. 8 divided 76 should be giving us 8 times 8 is 64. So 76 minus 64. What are we going to have? We'll be having 2 and we'll be having 1. There is 2. There is still another 8. 8 times 9. We have 64 plus 8. 64 plus 8 will be giving us 72. So we'll be having 9 whole number remaining 4. Put the 4 here. 8 divided 48 is now 6. So R is now 196. And that should be the final answer. That is the value of R. Thank you very much.